Organization sends informative messages or calls to their customers, which can be either promotional or service in nature. Such communication delivery can be blocked in case the customer is registered on DND. Hence, before sending these messages, the organization can take explicit consent or agreement from the customers. An explicit consent ensures communication delivery to the customer. Using Airtel Commercial Communication Platform, organizations can create consent templates customized to their business requirements. Let's learn how to register a consent template through Airtel Commercial Communication Platform. Enter your login ID and password to log into the platform. After login, you will land on the home page of the portal. Now click on the Manage Consent Templates to register a template. Now you can see the list of already registered templates in the platform. Every consent template will always have to be fixed content. There is no variable allowed. You can search the templates according to their status available in the drop-down list. You can search templates by template name, template DLT ID, and brand name. When you search a template, it will get highlighted in the below list. Now click on the Click Here link to proceed with the template registration process. Click on the View Sample Consent Template to see the sample of the consent template. You can come back to the main screen by clicking on the cross icon. You can delete the whole content by clicking on the Deselect Content link. Now, fill the brand name, consent template text, and template name and click on the Submit button to register the template. After registration, you will receive a thank you message and a reference ID for the template registration. You can check the status of your request by clicking on the Check Status button. Status on the registration request will be visible in the pending states.